Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall glam wedding centerpiece. And so what you'll need is you're going to need 2 of these votive holders or tea light holders from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 3 of these napkin rings. They come in a pack of 4. You're going to need 2 of these candle holder plates. You're going to need 2 of these, I guess they're mini vases or they are candle holders. Mine is a fluted shape, but you can use kind of whatever shape you like. I've got some diamond wrap here that I've already cut to size for what I'll need. You can get this at Dollar Tree. I've got some loose gemstones, and they're the diamond gemstones, and they're from Walmart. I've got some peel and stick diamond gemstones, and they are also from Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I've got a pair of scissors. I've got some hot glue, and then I have flowers from Dollar Tree, just in an array of colors. I've got some white hydrangeas here. I also have some blue hydrangeas, and then I have white roses. I also have 2 different kinds of picks. I have this kind of a chartreuse green color, and then I have this white color, creamy white color berries. And then I have these little mini, I have these little white roses here as well. May not use all of these flowers, but we'll play around with it and we'll kind of see what direction we'll go in. But anyway, these are the items that we'll need in order to get the centerpiece completed. So let's get started. Okay guys, now isn't this a beautiful centerpiece for a wedding? And very easy to do. So let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you go guys, another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share these videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.